Okay, traveling. All right, so here is the example for how to fill in this. Oh, guess what? This is the wrong one. Guys, I gave the wrong example for that one. All right, we can figure it out though. Find the room charge and total cost for these problems. Okay, so if you have a room rate of $205 and it's for 2 nights, then the total room charge is going to be, we just take 205 and multiply it by 2. So that's 410. And then we need a 10% tax on that. So one thing you're going to find when you travel is that tax on hotels are like, it's high. I don't know why it's high, but it is high. Okay, so we take our 410, 410, and we times it by, we can either times it by 0.10 and then add that to our $410, or we can multiply it by 1.10. And if you remember from a couple of a sharpening activity before the break, that if we use 1.10, that means we're going to get all of the 410 plus we're going to get the tax as well. So we don't have to do any addition. So the total will be $451. Okay, so $451. Okay, the next one is crazy because they're staying for 15 nights. So we go 102 and we multiply it by 15. So that is $1,530. Then we need to figure out the total with the tax. So we go 1,530 times 1.25 because it's a 25% tax. So the total for their stay of 15 nights is $1,912.50. Okay, the next one, $305, and they're staying 3 nights. So 305 times 3, that's $915. The tax on that is 11%. So we take 915 and we times it by 1.11. So their total will be $1,015.65. Okay, let's do 2 more right here and then we'll scroll down and find some that might be kind of difficult. Okay, so $156, it's for 1 night. So we just go $156 for the room. And then we need to figure out how much it will be with tax. So 156 times 1.14 equals $117.84. So 177.84. Okay, we'll do this one and then we'll scroll down to some that are a little bit more difficult. Okay, 6 nights, $187 times 6 equals $1,122. And tax is 12%. So we take $1,122 and times it by 1.12. And the total will be $1,256.64. Okay. Oh, and sometimes when I think about this one, that they stayed 15 nights, I'm like, why would they stay 15 nights? And then I remember, so my dad worked construction, and sometimes he worked road construction. So he would go where the roads were being built, and sometimes he would have to be away from us, from the family, and he would stay in these hotels that would let people stay for weeks, months at a time. And they would give them a better deal, like, because they knew that that room would be rented out every single night. So anyway, it is possible for somebody to stay in a hotel room for like weeks, months at a time. Okay, let's do this one that says 1,547 times for 4 nights. Okay, 1,547 times 4. That's 6,188. And then with tax, 6,188 times 1.17. And that is $7,239.96. Okay, is there another one that we should go over? Maybe let's do the very last one on the bottom. Okay, so it's $904 for 4 nights. So that's $3,616. And it's 20% tax. So $3,616 times 1.20 is $4,339.20. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions about that or questions on anything else.